Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. This one's kind of inspired by the tip I posted yesterday, the idea of the pilot light, and what I've kind of settled on for myself is considering, particularly in the lower dantian, to be a lit candle, but that candle isn't a lantern. And what's nice about the lantern is that the lantern can reflect light, so we kind of get more useful functional light out of a given source. But also the lantern is going to protect against the wind, whether that's like the wind that's blowing on me right now or the moving air as I step through and carry it. So I'm not having to protect the flame. The flame is protected. But of course that flame is not suffocated either, right? So we don't put it into a bell jar, then it goes out. So there's this balance between protectiveness and feeding it, letting it get the oxygen, and then often you'll have something that's quite reflective, so that or non-reflective and then reflective, like a bullseye lantern maybe will have a more singular source, maybe even a lens, I suppose. But anyway, that's today's Tàijíquán tip, to consider your lower dantian, although you could do this with the upper and the middle dantian, as a lantern. So we're keeping that flame lit, we're breathing and fueling it, but we're letting the air pass into our relative, somewhat porous body lantern, but also the body serves to shield the flame, allowing us to move, like for example in a fajin. So enjoy that. Thank you. I've had fun playing with it.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.